Hi, my name is Liam, and I'm here with All Saints Academy at Quadrant. Let's go check it out. Quadrant Manufacturing is a plastic manufacturing plant in Scranton, Pennsylvania. 6 kids from All Saints Academy went to go see what plastic manufacturing is all about. On our trip, we got to see all the work that has to be done before something gets into our hands. From plastic pulverizers to laser cutters, there are many magnificent things in there that we never thought we'd see before. And that concludes our trip at Quadrant. We all had a great time exploring the plant and learning more about manufacturing. We all would like to thank Quadrant for giving us this opportunity to explore the interesting industry. We'd love to visit again.